Hi, this is Subhendu. Once again, I am starting a new animation tutorial. So, what is the actually? I am showing you how to reverse the animation. This is a motion captured animation I have taken from Mixamo, and this animation actually this is putting the um, sword of the back of the character. So I want to make it just reverse the animation to put and bring. So let's start. Select that character and open and go to the modify or select, go to the hierarchy and then see the animation timeline. So it's a big one. I think its animation is 27 frames, so I'm doing that 27 frame full timeline. Now go to the Windows and then go to the animation graph editor, open the editor, and here select all that keys of that animation. And now if you want to reverse that one, go to the scale and open that one, and there is a all segment and start scale pivot option is there. I'm not going to the scale pivot option because I have to set the pivot, so it is not possible to find out the correct pivot because it's a motion capture animation. So better going to the time slider. So we have already make the time slider here 0 to 27. So go to the start end, and 27 is the starting frame now, because 0 is the starting frame earlier. Now we are doing to the reverse, so 27 and it's 0. So just reverse the animation. Now apply that one. Let's see what's happened. Wow. So now test that one, how the animation is going. Close it and sorry. Now here the animation, now it's totally reverse, but there is an problem. When I raise my hands here in the animation, it's just open and now it is closed. Just so need to modify that one. Select the hand mode and shift select that plus icon, and you will get that hand, right hand. So we will not touch the right hand. We will select all those under below the hand hierarchy. Now select leaving the last frame, delete all those. Simply keyframe delete. Now it is clear. So you can already holding the sword and putting that back of that character. It's a simple. Now if you want to modify little hand, so you can just make it first keyframe here, and so make already selected, so press S for save that key, and now it is all. So if you want to more close more hands, so you can do here, but I don't need, so I am leaving here. Thanks a lot.